In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card in Monarch Money. We'll be going through this process step by step to ensure that it's simple and straightforward for you. Let's begin by heading over to the Monarch Money website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the official Monarch Money URL, or simply by clicking the link if you have it bookmarked. Upon reaching the main page, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your login credentials to access your personalized dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Accounts section. This is where you manage all your financial accounts linked to Monarch Money. With your Accounts page open, you'll notice an option to Add Account. Click on this button to initiate the process of adding your new account. At this point, a new window should pop up, giving you the option to connect different types of accounts. Next, you'll see an option labeled Connect Banks and Credit Cards. Click on this, as it'll allow you to link your credit cards to Monarch Money. This action will bring up a variety of financial institutions to choose from. Here, you'll want to locate and select the bank or financial institution that issued your credit card. This step is crucial as it ensures the correct linkage between Monarch Money and your financial institution. After choosing your bank, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. This is for security purposes and allows Monarch Money to verify your identity. It's important to enter the phone number associated with your bank account to avoid any verification issues. Once you've entered your number, the system may send you a verification code. With your phone number successfully inputted and verified, it's time to proceed by clicking on the Continue button. This will finalize the process of linking your credit card with Monarch Money. You might experience a short waiting period while the connection is established, and during this time, Monarch Money is likely verifying the information with your bank. And that's it. You've successfully added your credit card to Monarch Money. By linking your credit card, you can now start tracking your expenditures and managing your finances more effectively within the platform. Remember, keeping tabs on your spending is a crucial part of financial health, and linking your accounts can provide valuable insights into your spending habits. If you have any trouble during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Monarch Money's excellent customer support for assistance. They're there to help troubleshoot any issues and ensure you have a smooth experience managing your finances. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made it easier for you to add your credit card to Monarch Money.